Hi, my name is Evan Archella, and I'd like to walk you through a few tips for becoming a power user with Outlook Live, part of Microsoft Live at EDU. Let's take a look at connecting our Outlook Live account to Office Outlook installed locally on our desktop or laptop PC. Here is my Outlook Live inbox, and just up to the right you'll see Options. If you'll click Options, underneath Shortcuts to other things you can do, you'll see an option to connect Outlook to this account. This is not actually a feature that's going to do the connection for you. It's going to open up a help file that gives you those instructions so that you can then go into the Outlook client installed on your PC and connect your Outlook Live account to that local Outlook installation. So this article is going to help you figure out how to do that. What I'm going to show you now, I'm going to close this, actually minimize my browser, and I'm going to show you how I would go about this process for myself. Now I'm running Windows 7, so I'm going to go into the control panel. You may find this process a little bit different if you're on Windows Vista or on Windows XP, but that help article will help you through those steps. In Windows 7, I'm going to click User Accounts and then click Mail. From here, I want to click Show Profiles. The reason you want to look at your profiles is because Outlook Live is a hosted Exchange account. So there's an Exchange server in the cloud that is hosting your email. If you use Exchange server locally in your school or in your organization, then you likely already have Outlook on your desktop and it's already connected to that local Exchange server. Well, Outlook can only connect to one Exchange server per profile. So in order to connect my Outlook Live account, because it's also Exchange based, I need to add a new profile. I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to put in the profile name of Sarah Davis, as that's the demo account that I've been using for these demonstrations. Click OK. I need to put in Sarah's name and Sarah's email address, her password, and then I need to retype that password for verification. Now Outlook will do a good job of automatically finding my Outlook Live settings and taking care of that configuration. When I click Finish, you'll notice that I have two profiles here. Outlook is my first profile, the one that's connected to my local servers, and Sarah Davis is my Outlook Live profile that's connected to that hosted Exchange. Now, down at the bottom, you'll see here that we can prompt for a profile to be used. That way, when I click out of this, close Control Panel, and actually launch Outlook on my desktop, you'll see that I get prompted to select a profile. Do I want to use that local profile, or do I want to use Sarah Davis and connect out to Outlook Live? I'm going to connect to Outlook Live, click OK, and you'll see here now I'm in the full Outlook client. I have all the power and capability that I usually get from this tool, but I'm working with the email from Outlook Live. A couple of other things that you need to know here. If you use Outlook as your primary tool, you're probably going to want to come here and use this for creating your rules instead of doing them in the browser. And you're also going to need to come here to set up a delegate. If you have a delegate that manages your calendar, you need to set up that delegate from the full Outlook client. Then from the browser, that delegate can open your calendar and they can set up meetings and appointments on your behalf through Outlook Live in the browser. But you have to do those delegate permissions first in the full client like you see here.